Quite often you find yourself wanting a meme to go onto your social media or to send through an email, your website or in a forum, wherever, and you can never find the exact one you want when you search. So what better idea than to have a meme generator? And I found one here. It's free to use. Most of the things I advertise are, which is why I'm so poor. So nobody's sponsoring this. dumb-meme.𝐂𝐫𝐞𝐚.com. That's that easy to remember URL. Anyway, you can type things into this and it will give you a meme, and it'll also give you some text, but you can go into any editor and you can change it to what you like. But this does give you some good quality memes. There's one I did earlier about having a duck. And let's do this one. A man in a busy street wearing a suit performing a handstand in front of surprised looking audience. So you could type that into a search engine and never find anything like it. So you generate your meme. It has a bit of fun. It says it's herding the data, it's aligning the stars and counting the bytes. It entertains you while it's creating this thing, convincing the server, sharpening the code pencils, nice one, feeding the hamsters, wow, and there you have it. When you're trying to stand out in the corporate world, and there's the audience and the man doing the handstand. So it's a silly little thing, but I found it quite useful. It's just go there and put in what you want. And it does it, and you can do it several times, of course, to get the thing you want. Let's do another one. A young girl riding a horse past a Formula One racing event. Yeah, that could crop up. That's quite a common subject. So, calibrating the fun meter. Yeah, he's doing that well. And as I say, it's totally free to do this. Tickling the code. There's a new one on me. And it should be ready in 20% time. Turning it, yeah. Oh, look at this. That is excellent, isn't it? When you take a wrong turn on your way to the Kentucky Derby. And as I say, you can change these to whatever. Let's do one more. And we'll do a teacher in a suit diving from a diving board into a swimming pool full of school children. So I wonder what would come up with that. Now, I have tried other meme creators, but they don't seem to have a sense of humour like this does. So that's dumb-meme.𝐂𝐫𝐞𝐚.com. I'll put a link next to the video. Engaging warp drive, that's good. Untangling the wires. And there we have it, when the teacher says they're ready for a summer break. And that's excellent. And we did one earlier on for that. I don't know whether you can see that. There's another teacher making a splash with his lessons. So there we are. That's the meme generator, all free. Go and have some fun.